Hi everybody, I'm Chef Norma, and today we're going to be going over the perfect pairing for September, which is an aioli-baked coho salmon with my version of a succotash, and it is going to be paired with our 2019 Rastaban Pinot Noir. All right, first we're going to start with our aioli mixture that we're going to put on top of the salmon. This I just made from scratch. To that, you are going to add a minced shallot. We're also going to take a little bit of fresh dill. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Also, the zest of half of a lemon. And then lastly, I'm going to take the juice of about half of a lemon. And I'm just going to give that a mix. For the succotash, we are going to be using some zucchini. And also we have some cherry tomatoes here. You just want to cut in half. Other things that we have are some corn cut off the cob. We also have some cut up Jimmy Nardello peppers. And lastly, we have some roasted and cubed up kohlrabi. And this is just roasted with a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper at 350 for about 15 minutes. And you just want to rotate the pan halfway through the cooking process. For the salmon, we have our coho here. And I've left the skin on. We are going to take a little bit of the aioli that we made. I'm gonna kind of spoon that on there. And then just put that right on there. And then I like to finish it off with a little bit more salt and then just a little bit of black pepper. And this is gonna go in a 500-degree oven for about 5 to 7 minutes. You're just gonna wanna start with a hot pan and a little bit of olive oil. Then I'm going to add in the kohlrabi, add the peppers and zucchini. We're gonna let these cook for a little bit and add just a pinch of salt and pepper. Then we're gonna add the corn. To finish it off, we are going to add our little cherry tomatoes. And you're gonna wanna cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. We are just going to add about a half a juice of lemon right on top. And then turn the heat off and just a few leaves of fresh parsley. Just gonna add a little bit of wonderful veggies down on the bottom. Beautiful salmon. And then to finish it off, I like to add just a little bit more of the veggies. We have so many beautiful flowers in the garden. These ones are some snapdragons. This is going to be the perfect pairing for September. All right, the best part. Let's try it. It's so good. If you've never had an aioli baked salmon, you're in for a surprise. It's super delicious. great. This Rastaban pairs so nicely with the fish. The fattiness of the aioli on the top of the fish really just cuts through it. I hope everybody can come up here and try September's menu, have some wine, enjoy the views, sunshine while it lasts. Cheers. That's a whip. I'm gonna get a stunt double to step in next time, so cheers.